What's up, guys? Welcome to Ride or Ride. We're at Teddy Morse. Teddy Morse. That's it, yeah. We're out at Teddy Morse, Daytona Harley-Davidson with more speed. We got Prentice here. We got Jordan hiding over there. They're doing basically an open house.
Yeah, we're doing an open house like now. Right now. So like get down here, come shake hands. We got walking tacos, if you know what those are. We got beer over here. We got stickers. We got everything.
Stickers.
We've got Chris right here.
What are we doing to this thing today? Tearing it down?
Tearing it down.
Tearing it down?
Yeah, we're tearing it down.
You guys don't know, this is Jordan's bike. I just learned this today. And if you don't, you see that sticker right there? If you got a sticker, bring it up here and stick it on the bike. What's in the motor now? What is this?
I think it's 135 right now.
135.
I think so. But we got stuff coming. It's good. This is going to be a shop bike. So we're going to tear this down, completely rebuild it, make it new, fresh. The stickers might be going away. I don't know. I don't know yet. I'll let Jordan talk about that. But yeah, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be a shop bike, so stay tuned to what's going to happen.
Fill everyone in what More Speed is.
So what we're doing here is we opened up a performance and dyno tuning extension of Teddy Morse Daytona Harley-Davidson. So all we do, we're upstairs, you come up the escalators, you see me, I sit right here at this desk. We talk performance. We talk stage 1, stage 2, right? We talk if you want an air cleaner and exhaust. We talk if you want cams. We talk if you want, if you want new heads, right? If you want to do a big bore kit, that's what we do up here. And then we put it on the dyno and get the most out of it. I'm the parts specialist. Jordan Huerta is the master tech and the dyno wizard. He has tuned almost everyone's bike that's in this room. So if that tells you anything. But yeah, we're here. Anytime, come see us.
If you like go fast and cool shit, and you just want to hang out and be on video,
yeah,
I'll be here. I'll be here a lot.
Absolutely, yeah. And we want to, anything that you bring in and build, anything that we do back here, put on the dyno, if you're cool with it, we want to document it, right? Like we have videos, if you can see the TV up there that we're playing currently. And yeah, anything that we build out, if you want to, we'll document it. We'll put it out there for you.
Come on out. So in this video, you're going to be seeing a lot of cool people doing a lot of cool shit.
Mostly.
Easy way to put it.
Not me, him.
Let's get to it.